course here's a script for you. Welcome to FK iPhone, where we bring you the latest and coolest updates from the tech world. Today we are diving into the brand new Nokia X30 2025 edition, a phone that might just surprise you with its solid mix of style, performance and eco-friendly design. First up, let's talk about the features. The Nokia X30 is all about providing a premium experience without blowing up your wallet. It comes packed with a beautiful AMOLED display that looks stunning whether you are scrolling through apps, watching videos or gaming. Colors pop, brightness is great even under sunlight, and the smooth refresh rate makes everything feel fast and responsive. Under the hood, the Nokia X30 is powered by a reliable chipset that handles daily tasks with ease. From opening multiple apps to running games, you will notice a clean, fluid performance. Nokia has worked hard to make sure the software experience is just as good. Android runs near stock here, which means fewer pre-installed apps and more storage space for what you actually want. Plus, regular updates keep your phone secure and running smoothly. Battery life is another highlight on the Nokia X30. A solid battery combined with smart optimization means you can easily get through a full day and still have juice left. Fast charging support is also there, so even if you run low, you are back up and running in no time. Now moving on to the camera setup, and this is where Nokia has stepped up its game. The X30 offers a dual camera system on the back with a main sensor that captures bright, detailed photos. Even in low light you get vibrant colors, sharp details, and thanks to advanced software tweaks, your shots come out looking really clean. Whether you are snapping pictures of your pets, your friends, or a night out, you will be impressed by what this camera can do. The front camera is equally solid and perfect for selfies or video calls. You get natural skin tones and a good level of detail without having to mess with a ton of settings. It is simple, easy, and it just works. Now let's take a minute to appreciate the exterior design. Nokia has really put thought into making the X30 look and feel premium. It has a sleek aluminum frame with a matte finish on the back, which not only looks good but also feels great in the hand. The phone is lightweight but sturdy, giving you confidence without being a brick in your pocket. And get this, Nokia is pushing for sustainability too. The body of the X30 uses recycled materials and the packaging is eco-friendly as well. That means you can feel a bit better about your purchase knowing it is helping reduce environmental impact. Button placements are smart and comfortable. The fingerprint scanner is quick and responsive. Face unlock is snappy too. Overall, the build quality is top-notch and you can tell this phone is made to last. Another thing to note is the audio quality. Speakers are loud and clear, perfect for watching videos or jamming to music without needing your earbuds. Call quality is crisp too, which is always a big plus. So to wrap it all up, the Nokia X30 2025 model is a real contender. It might not have the flashiest specs on paper, but it nails the things that actually matter in day-to-day use. A great display, strong cameras, reliable performance, long battery life, clean software, and a beautiful eco-friendly design all come together to make this phone a smart choice for anyone who wants something dependable and stylish. If you are tired of overpriced phones with unnecessary features, the Nokia X30 could be the fresh start you have been looking for. Thanks for watching FK iPhone. Make sure you hit that like button and subscribe for more honest reviews and cool tech updates. See you in the next one. Would you also like a slightly more energetic or punchy version depending on your channel's vibe?